Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to do a rundown of my favorite dresses and skirt style from HALARA. So if you guys are not new here, you know my love affair for HALARA runs so deep, and you guys know my favorite items probably that HALARA ever does is their athletic dresses. I feel like athletic dresses have been so huge over the years, the last couple years, and HALARA does it best. I will say, I get asked a lot what style active dress that I like best, because I know there's so many brands that do it, and HALARA knocks it out of the park. First of all, their color selection, their fabric selection, the style of it, you're gonna see, it's amazing. So big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video. I wanted to tell you guys all about their Black Friday sale, and why I'm doing the roundup to kind of tell you some of my favorites from them is because they're running an insane pre-Black Friday sale. So check out their website, it's insane. They've got leggings, 2-for-1 leggings, specials going on their site. They've got just up to 70% off, free shipping, all that good stuff. You guys want to check out all the details in the description box down below, which is why I wanted to run through some dresses. I know maybe we're headed into winter and you're like, girl, who's buying dresses now? Me, because you can save so much if you already know that you have a favorite style of HALARA dress. Like, I lived in their activewear dresses. If I went on vacation somewhere, I had like 5 of their HALARA dresses in my suitcase, because they're just so easy to dress different. Like, you can style them so different, and they're just so flattering and easy and just one and go. Like, you can go walks, you can hike, you can go work out, you can go to lunch, you can do anything in an active dress, and they're stunning. So let's go ahead and dive into some of my all-time favorite styles. I'm gonna do try-ons of them, show you a couple ways that I would style them, and then ways and places that I would wear them too. So let's start with this first one. You guys know I fell in love with this specific style last season. I have this in maybe all of their colors. I want them to release a red one, but this dress is probably one of my most favorite cuts. There's a couple reasons why. It's first because it comes with shorts underneath, so this is great if you're going to the mall, like any place that you feel like you're gonna be out for a long period of time, not just a quick little errand. Like, you're going all day, traveling, whatever. These are nice because you can just remove the shorts. It gives you that coverage of wearing an athletic dress, but it's shorts underneath, which I really enjoy. You've got the double pockets on either side and no front seam, not that you can see anything anyways, but I love the zipper detail on this. This is such a classy athletic dress where you feel a little bit more covered up. Sometimes, personally, I choose one thing to be uncovered, whether it's my chest, because this is very uncovered for me, or my legs. This is nice because you get this like zipper, so you can kind of control the amount of coverage that you get on top. You can zip it all the way up, or you can zip it down. The other cool thing about this is, again, if you're wearing this as more of like a daily piece, you can wear a normal bra under this, because the thickness on the back and the front hide a normal bra, which I really enjoy. Sometimes I don't want to wear like a sports bra under something like this, but I need a bra. I just go and wear my normal bra under it. I love this royal blue, but again, they have a million different colors. I love how the zipper is always in white because it just pops. Again, it's just so stretchy. I've worn these dresses more times than I can count, and no pilling, no issues with seamage or anything like that. So this is probably my standout dress because I can wear it to so many different occasions. This is my fun, it's so freaking hot out, like I don't want to wear clothes sort of dress. Again, this is a little like revealing on top and revealing at the bottom, but you're covered because you have a full-on onesie underneath. This pastel bright Barbie pink is like everything. I own this dress in black, blue, red, pink, like a more magenta fuchsia pink. It's just good, okay, you guys? These are probably my favorite silhouettes for activewear dresses. This is a activewear dress you see everywhere. Abercrombie makes one, and I just don't love it compared to this, and they're like double the price. You can tell the way this cinches in and kind of gives you a waist, even if you don't have one, is stunning. The compression on the breast is just enough. You don't need to wear a bra, and I'm a bra girl. It does come with removable cup pads. I typically just remove them. It gives me more room. This is just, it's everything. The bra I like because it does have a shelf at the bottom, so you feel like your boobs aren't drooping down, like they hold themselves up in here. It's everything. You get the shorts underneath. Well, you have the full bodysuit, not just the shorts, with pockets on both sides, no front seam. Again, this is one that you do have to like pull down, or if you're a side puller when you pee, that's something to think about, but it's worth it because these things are like, again, just like the perfect throw and go for any summer situation. Again, I have this, I wanted to show you in a darker color. Let's say you live somewhere like Texas, Florida, where it's still like 80 degrees, even in the fall. They make them in the darker colors as well. So you can wear this and rock this through the fall. I wish now that I did. I'm actually going to Texas for Christmas, and I bet you it's gonna be 80 degrees, so I'm still gonna bring this. And you can always throw a sweater on over the top of it, or like a sweatshirt, like a crop sweatshirt, or like a little like zip up or something like that. HALARA has tons of different options for that as well, with some like thicker chunky socks and some dad sneakers. So cute, such a cute fall outfit. So yeah, if you live somewhere where it's warm, don't think you just have to put your activewear dresses away because they're bright and summery colors. Like, just go with a deeper tone. So yeah, perfect time to stock up on your athletic dresses, get them on a major sale. Yeah, you can't go wrong with them, I swear. Next thing I fell in love with over the past, I think it was the past summer, are their little tennis skirts. They have so many different styles, but this one is a newer one that I wanted to share, and specifically I wanted to share a white one with you guys because I know that I find it so hard to find white athletic skirts, dresses, whatever, that aren't see-through. I have one that I got on Amazon, and it was just, I mean, you can see everything through it. It's not it. This I liked because it's like a flat panel as well, so I feel like it looks a bit more seamless than some of their pleated ones, but they have everything pleated. And then the back is super cute. I love this little detail, and it's kind of like a flouncy thing. This is shorter. This is meant for like tennis, because it does have the little like ball pocket on the side and then a regular pocket on the other side. You can wear this so many different ways. Again, you can walk in this, play tennis in this, pickleball. I've yet to try pickleball, but my gym has a pickleball like program and lessons and stuff, so maybe I'll bust this out when I do pickleball. I don't know, tell me, do y'all play pickleball? Let me know. But I love HALARA's active skirts as well. I think you can't go wrong. And then this top, I had to make an honorable mention. I own this top in, I want to say 4 or 5 different colors. This is my favorite athletic top that they do. It's kind of like a cotton stretchy sort of material, which I really like for my activewear tops. I just find it really buttery and soft. I love the fullness of this top if I'm not wearing a full-on high neck, because I like that. I want something that's scooped but not like showing boob. I don't want to actually see cleavage, okay? I just don't. I don't personally feel comfortable like that, so I like something that comes up a little bit high if it's gonna be a scoop. And I feel like this hits perfectly. I love the wider straps. I feel like it's a good support, but the back is so cute because it is open, so you feel a little bit sassy, but not too sassy. And then it has the bra shelf in it as well, so you don't need to wear a sports bra underneath this because it is open back. And I get a small in this. I've gotten mediums before and they're just a bit too big, so I would say go true to size. And yeah, I love this top. Again, black, white, green, I don't know what other colors I have, a million, but this blue one's really pretty as well and goes really nicely with any other colors you have in your wardrobe. You can't go wrong with black, blue, and white, okay? So yeah, that's my rundown of my favorites from HALARA, their activewear, their skirts. Let me know what you are going to be planning on picking up. I think if you have not picked up an athletic dress, like, girl, you are missing out on so much goodness. I swear these look good on everybody. The length is perfect. The quality is so good. So don't wait until you have to pay full price when it comes spring and summer and everything's sold out. Stock up now so you can wear them. Once the weather warms up. It'll give you a nice little thing. Or if you're going on a beach vacation, hello, get it now. And then if you are lucky enough to live somewhere where it's not 40 degrees outside in the fall, then stock up on some of those rich, deep fall tones on their athletic dresses, because it's so cute, and I think I'm gonna wear mine when I go to Texas for this Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, if you're looking for sizing and all of that, check out the description box down below, and big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video. I hope you guys enjoy and have fun shopping their pre-Black Friday sale on their site now through the 23rd of November. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Happy shopping!